Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a gear video, but on the way in I showed you guys around a place called Citivan Camp. It's in upstate South Carolina. It used to be a retreat and camp and where kids can wander around and be supervised. But yeah, in the late 1990s, it became abandoned. And it's for me, it's kind of sad because, kids probably nowadays, they don't get the chance to get into the woods. Up top on this trail, there's a beautiful lake. You climb up a mountain. We're gonna take a hike up there. Little amphitheater. This is Holiday Lake. It was nice to visit Holiday Lake. Let's go down and shoot the gear video. So my first piece of new gear is by Jolly Gear. I had the pleasure to hang out with Jolly at Damascus Trail Days this year. Just an awesome guy. The color is Dusty Cedar. It has 2 chest pockets. It also has thumb holes in the sleeves and a hoodie with a ponytail hole. It weighs 7.1 ounces. And another sun hoodie. This is from Evolved Supply Co., also known as Darwin on the Trail. The Mirage has a quarter-length zipper, which allows you to dump hot air. It also has integrated thumb holes to prevent your sleeves from riding up and help provide sun protection to the top of your hands. Made with 96% merino wool blend, the shirt is soft and smooth against the skin with no itchiness. And this is a new backpack I've been testing for a few weeks. My new Zpacks Sub-Nero Ultra 30-liter backpack is primarily a day pack. I could do a summer overnight or maybe 2 nights with this pack. Sub-Nero features an interchangeable strap design. These are the S straps. Both straps have daisy chains for additional attachment points. These are the harness-style vest straps, which feature 3/8 of an inch thick padding at the shoulders. Each side of the strap features integrated stretchy Lycra water bottle pockets that fits a 1-liter smart water bottle. The side water bottle pockets will fit 2 1-liter bottles. They are positioned low on the pack and slanted forward for easy access without removing the pack. The sit pad is removable. The volume of the main body is 17 liters. The material of the Sub-Nero is Ultra 100X and is highly water resistant. The back mesh pocket is 8 liters. And my next piece of new gear, this is the Zpacks Down Puffy in burnt orange. It has an interior pocket, which is great if it's cold out and you're sleeping at night. You can put your power bank your phone inside and keep it close to your body, your water filter. The fitted hood has adjustable cinch cords. The Zpacks down jacket also has 2 hand pockets. Next up, these are my new Brooks Cascadia 19 trail runners. They feature an updated trail adapt system with a flexible rock shield. The Brooks Cascadia 19 has a 6mm heel to toe drop and have a really comfortable ride. And the last piece of new gear for 2025, this is the Platypus water filter in pink. If you enjoyed this gear video, please like and subscribe. All of this gear will be down in the link below.